Welcome to Sauga Arts HUB, Mississauga's online arts community. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to submit your creative place, be it a studio, gallery, performance venue, or more, so that artists and creative community members across Mississauga can discover it. Go to saugaartshub.com and click Creative Places in the top menu. Once on the page, scroll down and click Submit a Place to open the submission form. Fill out the form with the basics: the name of the place, the company name and email, contact email, phone number, and address. Choose the space category, like an artist-run space, church, gallery, photo or video studio, or restaurant or bar. If your space doesn't fit an existing category, please reach out to us. We're happy to add in new categories where needed. You can also fill out the place's social links, a description of the space, and what you could see your space being used for, the capacity, and 1 to 3 images of your space. Lastly, just type yes, that you agree to publicizing this information on saugaartshub.com. Once all required fields are complete, click Submit a Space. After review, your listing will appear on the Creative Places map, making it easy for artists and community members to find and book your creative place. And that's it! You've successfully submitted your creative place. If you have any questions, notice a bug, or need any assistance at all, please reach out to us at info@saugaartshub.com. Thanks for being a part of the Sauga Arts Hub community.